Good morning. What's up? Welcome back to Ride with Viche. Now the time is 5 a.m. in the morning, and I'm back with another adventure ride. I'm going to keep it secret where I'm going to ride. Stay tuned to Ride with Viche. So I have reached the start point. We'll flag in 2 minutes. I'll show you the lineup because we don't have space, so we have kept our vehicles here and there. These are riding group. This is our team, guys. Hi, Good morning.
Okay, so छोटा सा plan है. We'll start from here. We'll go to Decathlon. In between, Decathlon will start. We'll go to Hidden Castle. In between, we'll have breakfast somewhere. Okay. Abhi, since it's a proper video shoot plan that we are planning, so Deepa sir is there with us. अपनी बाकी पोस्ट में आपने मैंने अभी सर मेंशन अबाउट सर, so sir is there, then Manindra bhai is there, so they will be taking care of the complete video shoot under the expert guidance, and Harshit bhai is also joining us from Shamirpet, so he's carrying drone and all, right? We are planning to ride in bike wise, like classic together, Himalayas together, then currently one Ninja, then there is another one joining you. So two ninjas will be together, then Avenger together, that way. So we are riding bike wise, so that when they are shooting, it looks nice actually, right? So we'll ride bike wise. When we are doing a video shoot or photo shoot, we'll try to maintain a speed of 60, 70, 80, maybe 90 also, right? Super bikes like Prashant bhai is having and the other bikes. During the ride, if they feel bored or something, they can move like थोड़ा आगे पीछे, because उनके पाँव जल जाएंगे पूरे.
Push! Push, push, push! తిప్పు తిప్పు బాగా తిప్పు.
అశ్విన్ అది ఇచ్చేపో లోపట.
దీనికి క్యాప్షన్ పెడతా, బిల్లు కట్టలేక దోశలు వేస్తుండని చెప్పి. నాకు రవ్వ దోశ. ఏయ్ పని చేయదంటారా చూడు ఎట్లున్నది వేస్ట్ చేసిన. nothing else. It's fun in off-road track. Now you're all set for the burnout. Enjoy the burnout fun.